Welcome to Phil's Baking Class episode 4. Raspberries! So we got a glut of raspberries in the garden. So today we're doing raspberry chocolates and raspberry bread. So our ingredients today will be flour, sugar, unsalted butter, buttermilk, vegetable oil, vanilla essence, light brown sugar, baking soda, and of course homemade raspberries. So on to making the raspberry bread. Our first job is to mix the flour, sugars and baking soda all together. Next job is to melt the butter. Right, you waited till the melted butter cools down and then we add all the wet ingredients. So we go for butter, oil, buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and an egg. And we'll whisk that all together. Okay, now we mix the 2 bowls that we've done together. So the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients we mix up, but the wet must go over the dry. So now we coat the raspberries in flour and add it to our mix. And we add the mixture to the loaf tin, put in the oven for 45 minutes After 30 minutes, put a foil lid on it. Let's just hope for the best. So while that's doing in the oven, we can get on with the raspberry chocolates. That's pretty straightforward. Just get your favourite brand of chocolate. In our case at the moment it's Cadbury's Dark Milk. Just melt it and dip the raspberries in the chocolate and leave it aside to set. Okay, and now it's time to take it out of the oven. Wish me luck. Now that don't look too bad. So that's it. Raspberry bread, raspberry chocolates. And the only things to go with homemade raspberry bread and homemade raspberry chocolates is homemade cider. Named Old Pip after my Auntie Peggy, who always called me Pip. Cheers!